Alright, really quick, since we do not know how safe it is right here, but here's the Embassy of the United States of America in Costa Rica. Now, this embassy has a lot of importance. We were going to overthrow Jose Figueres in the 1940s, later 50s, and even 70s there was evidence because he was a lefty. But a lot of his programs were actually beneficial. Social Security, rights to work for women, rights to vote for women, Afro-descendant Costa Ricans, etc. So the question is, should the United States not invade in other countries' politics and not try? And by not doing that, is it better for the world? This goes for what's going on right now. Like, should we be helping Ukraine? Should we be involved in sanctions against Venezuela? Should we be all over the world at once? And he said, Jose Figueres, before he died, he obviously died if he was president of Costa Rica, in the 1940s and 50s, well, that he actually did work with the CIA in order not to get overthrown. But he was very lefty, and he even got money from the Soviet Union. But Costa Rica is a pretty stable country. He did land reform, Social Security, a lot of progressive politics that people now say were actually a good idea. But we did not like them a long time ago because they were socialist. Oh no, and here comes the bus. People are going to jump off. Old school buses from the United States. I used to take these all the time when I was living in Nicaragua. Take care, everyone. I am out of here. Wow, I wonder if those school buses are safe. We don't know. But calling out here from the Embassy of the United States. Ooh, and something's going on over there. I'm out of here. Bye.